Hi up, Andy here, VW Coco, back on the Patina bug. The plan is today just to jack up the bug, ready for the little 1300 engine to go in. Now this engine came in pieces, so I ain't got a clue the history on it. It was a C's carb, no dizzy, so just put bits together really, and we see if we can fire it up. May not be in this video, but I'll put a new clutch on it. Oh, this is a few years ago now. It's been sat around. Just see if it spins still. Just grab the adjustable. Yes. Shaky, shaky, yeah. Perfect. 360. So, I just want to, well, we cleaned up the gearbox housing, look. New release bearing. Perfect. Yeah, I just got to jack it up in the air now. You can see it's already got CV boots, brand new ones. Cool. I'm going to check for hardware. Is starter motor, yeah, starter motor bolt. And the other engine bolt. So let me see if I can dig that out. It's just a case of cleaning everything off, so it's just a quick update really. And yeah, get up in the air and I'll show you what he'd be like. Yeah, so I've been out here an hour. I've been out for 2 weeks today. Said in a previous video, just not facing it, but when I'm here, I'm alright. But as you can see, still can't freaking get in or out. We'll have to email landlord and see what's happening. Freaking shocking. Been 2 months. Nothing to go outside. Well, apart from the gear and my Victor I want to take home. Bring the beige bug here, but still. Wind you up, man. Come on, cut us a break on the rent next 2 months. So, all I'm going to do is wire wheel, that off, and just clean up the clutch, and the flywheel. Let that soak. Remember, I put 2 new studs in it at the time. So we've got J tubes. So I'll start cleaning that. I've jacked them up because what I'll do, I'll tilt them underneath and we'll get the jack stands underneath. That's good enough for now, only because battery needs charging. So we'll take that battery on ready for next week. Just give it a quick blow off. That'll be it for today on this engine anyway. He's in, or under. Oh. That new jack, trolley jack, oh, 11 out of 10. If I was at home, it'd be on the scissor jack, putting up and in within 10 minutes, like a wizard. But that's what you gotta do when you've got your own garage. I've got to be careful in a minute. The trolley jack's in. I'll give it a bit more clean on the flywheel. And yeah, we're done did. Right, let's get the trolley jacks on there. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, comment and subscribe. Because, well, this week, I'll call it this week, the engine will be in the Patina bug. I'll show you the brake trims. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Sorry, Mum. I didn't mean to swear then. Dad. Right. Hopefully. I'll clear that. I'm going to push. Line this up a bit of a pain in the arse. One bit of cable there, right? Let's just start bringing them down. I'll let it run and see me struggle. Last time I put an engine in here was the GT bug, well over a year ago. That's gonna catch the engine. Friggin' hell, I'm stuck now. Friggin' hell, man. I have to do it again. Nope. Clear. Oh, I think I'll be clear. Going down. Where are we there? Whoa, 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 whoa. No Plymouth folk, give me an hand more. Aircooled seeing Plymouth is shocking. Yeah, if you want to, right there. Big Al will be here though. He's got a new car. It's terrible went. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it's terrible went on these Fiat. Sorry if I got in the way then. Yes, we're down away. Yep, up. Oh. Catching on the front. Probably because I'm trolley. Should be enough. On the jack stands. Come down, my son. I can hear a crunch. I may bend this one back anyway. Now I've got. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I can't wait to bloody get the gear on. I've got to swipe the engine bolts as well. I've sold an engine, so the money for that is going towards the car and gear sales. Seals. I've got to do this quickly. His granddaughter's birthday today, so we've got a bit of a party going on. So down the road, so I'll just jump on this. You're in, you're not fouling. Come on, boy. There he is. There we go. Trolley's out well worth the money. Well worth the money. Next, yeah, I've got to line up the engine inside and get some sort of jack underneath to bring them up. And a jack in behind to line the bugger up. So with that, thanks for watching. Missus is ringing, so I better get sorted. Like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com, all that. Amazon wishlist, thanks again. And yeah, I've got to try to let me know in comments. Get me out here more, you know. 2 weeks, and no. You can see I've got plenty going on. Still plenty for sale. If you want a cheap project, let me know. Or if you want one done, let me know. A few people want to see panel van. I'm not too sure on that one yet. Alright. Cheers. One last thing, I'll be bringing this home this week. I've just come up with a name. Clue. Good friend, Classic Britain, Sheldon's mum's called it. And I'm calling her, because you can tell it's a her. Look at her. Hands on hips. Carmen. So there you go. I'll be bringing Carmen home. So don't tell her missus. She'll think I've got some bird in the garage at home. Ciao. These are the front brake drums all painted up, look. I did find the old hardware for the brakes. I said I've got new and I'll be using new. But, do you remember I cleaned all these up? Brake adjusters is fine. I've got brand new shoes I've just dug out. So I have complete new brakes. We got the new shocks. So it's time for me to, look at Herbie, look. Love it.